Hello guys, you can protect here.
In this video we are going to play Territorrial.io with this new feature. Yeah, they changed the button, but let's make a fantasy world real quick. Now let's just save it on my desktop. And here we go. Okay, looks pretty good. We are going to start here. This feature is only available in single player. That's kind of a disappointment. Now I'm going to expand down here and attack here, which is now about to be taken over by Saxony.
Looking for how many times did I have to tell you it's Kingdom of Gwynedd or starting, not Saxony! Ding.
Yes, that happened. The shot real quick. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, now I set this boat to here to attack the other enemy, but now it's... oh wait, it just got back to me. Okay, and... oh, that was just about it. That was a pretty easy win. Yeah, so bye.